All right, I'm going to show a foot pummel from a butterfly elevation, right? We're going over a lot of stuff like body lock, passing from butterflies, stuff like that. Leg weaves and everything. So what happens when he elevates me from butterfly, right? So I don't get my body lock. He elevates me. If I post and I pinch, right? So my ass, my legs kind of go downwards, and he's holding my weight up. My hands are planted on the mat. Look at this. See how my leg, take this out, but I don't lose the knee-to-knee connection. I swivel my leg, right? I hook and I drive, flattening his knees. I keep my shin on his shin as I ride up over to the IT band. Just come down here. And look, I can take the back, right? Get like this kind of seatbelt. Do this again, and do this a few different times. Right, so that's one. Go here again, he elevates me, pinch, pummel, flatten him out, ride through. I don't disconnect anything. I keep this pressure at all times, right? I come down here, I can put pressure down with my own head to his head, drive, come up here, go one more time. Submission there, and one more. If I can't get my far side leg over to his far side leg to pummel, and I can only get one pummel. So check this out too. So he elevates me. Look, I can't get this, so I get just one in, right? I get just this. I fight. Look, I drop that down. Now where am I? Right? Almost in like a leg weave position. So I shoot through, hit the leg weave. I center my weight back, keeping my hand up on his upper spine here. Again, head down. Look, now what we did a few weeks ago. I come over and I can start riding right up to mounts. Right, like my underhooks. His hands over. So then, just one more time, real fast. Same thing. So I'm here. I can only get elevated. I can't get the far side, so I just pummel through. I get whatever I could, and I come down. And here, he's squaring back up. I can drive through here, right, and go right again to mount. Now, if he does square up here, get ready. Knee cut, right? So, leg pummeling, very useful tool when you're in a bad spot trying to pass, right? You're trying to leg weave, body lock pass, whatever. You get elevated and get your hands down on the mat at a good base, right? Get your legs light, knees pinched to his knees, and you can start right here. Like I'm always circling, right? I'm never disconnecting my knees from his knees. I'm always circling and driving, right? So just keep the pressure down and play around with it. This is useful even in standing applications as well. It's like really fast. Not gonna go on forever, but if I'm here, right, he's down and he has a hook here, right? To avoid a dummy pass, I can always base. And look, I can come here, I can pummel through, I can come here, right? I can pummel through, right? And drop. And I'm using this knee and my elbow, keeping a good frame on his hip, to knock his knees down, flat, pass. So, it's application of leg pummeling, very useful in so many ways in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and just Nogi grappling in general. So, have fun with it. OffYourBackBJJ.com. Mike, Anthony, Os.